Alright, to clean a countershaft for a watchmaker's lathe, just mount the shaft to a bench somehow. I've got it vice gripped in here. I've got an old watchmaker's motor connected here. I got it lined up like this. And as a belt, I just use a rubber band. You can go to Staples or whatever and buy a whole pack of leather rubber bands. And they'll work. They won't work for a long time, but they'll work enough for this. And then this old piece here, the pulleys on the end here, I want to clean up. So I've already cleaned the end part up here. All you do is take some of this steel wool. This is kind of the fake steel wool. And you spin the lathe like so. And apply a little bit of pressure on the end there. And that'll start cleaning up the pulley. You can see what that looks like right now. That, and then as I apply some pressure here, and spin this baby, and it starts cleaning it up really nicely. So let's do another one here. And you see how that's getting rid of all the rust and grime and everything else on there. Make sure you put plenty of oil in the joint here of the countershaft on both sides and set it up so there's a bit of tension, and then away you go. You just spin it and clean it. And that should be perfectly clean. I already cleaned the shaft, which is nice. You do the shaft, you just have to go like this and go back and forth. And it just kind of cleans itself. It's the easiest way to do it. And that's it.